In this video, I'm going to go over how to refund a transaction in your Stripe account. Anytime you need to reverse an order made in your store, you must also refund the transaction within the associated payment processor. Let's go over that now with Stripe. Let's start by first logging into your Stripe account. Grab the email and password and click sign into your account. Now I have two-factor authentication set up in my Stripe account, so after I submit my login information, a 6-digit code will be sent to the associated phone number. Once entered and verified, I'll then be taken to my account. Let's go ahead and enter that now. And click sign into your account. Okay. Once inside, go ahead and click on the Payments tab within the left-hand sidebar. This will open up all of the recent payments made within the account. Locate the one you want to refund and then click to select it. To start the refund, click the Refund button in the upper right-hand corner. Choose the reason that you wish to provide the refund, and then click the blue Refund button. And that's all there is to it. Any funds related to the charge will then be sent back to your customer's card, usually within a few days. If you have any other questions about refunding a transaction or with WebStarts in general, be sure to reach out to our support team and we'd be happy to help out.